Welcome back to Stitching with Samantha. Today I'm going to be teaching you heavy chain stitch. A slightly different variation of chain stitch. This has a heavier look and is great for filling up space. In today's video, I'm using a medium weight yarn and a darner's needle. You're going to start by bringing your needle and yarn up through the back of your sweater, and then you're going to bring your needle and yarn back down to the back of the sweater about 1/3 of an inch ahead of where you came up. You are then going to skip ahead another 1/3 of an inch, and we are going to bring our needle and yarn all the way up. Next, we are going to bring our needle through the little loop that we made in our first stitch. You're going to bring it all the way through and then bring your needle back down the same place you entered. Pull your yarn tight so that it forms your first chain. Next, we are going to skip ahead another 1/3 of an inch, and then this time, instead of going through our previous chain, we're going to skip up to that first loop again. This is going to double up our chain stitch and make it into that heavy looking chain stitch. Once again, bring your needle back down where you entered and pull tight. We are going to continue this process. Bring your needle down about another 1/3 of an inch. And then this time, instead of going up through the first loop, we are going to go through the first chain we had. Not our last chain, but the chain before that. So you're going to bring it through and pull your yarn tight, and then you're going to take your needle to the back of the sweater once again. You're going to repeat this process each time, bringing your needle and yarn up and then taking it back through the previous chain. Not the last chain you made, but the chain before that. And each time, you're going to bring your needle back down and pull the yarn tight. This method doubles up your chain stitches and it makes it look a lot thicker than a normal chain. It's perfect when you want to fill in a little bit more space when stitching. I hope you like this embroidery tutorial, and I hope you feel a little more confident stitching on sweaters. If you did like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share all my posts. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, stitchy friends.